The Larson Electronics low-profile hazardous location lighting solution is approved for Class 1 Division 2 and is UL 1598 compliant for use in wet locations. This powerful LED light strip produces 1300 lumens, operates on 12 to 24 volts AC/DC, and is suitable for a variety of applications. This light is constructed of powder-coated extruded aluminum for excellent strength and durability and is rated IP65 for protection against exposure to low-pressure water jets from all directions and sealed against dust penetration. Operators can rotate the light fixture side to side to position the light output as needed. These lights are configured in a bar profile for installation in locations where wide dispersal and a low profile is preferred. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.